Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Ceredwyn Macrae, and I really hope I've pronounced that correctly. And the cup number for Ceredwyn's kit is cup 1104909_1398, and it's the 8x8 mini kit on top of the world boy. You get 4 sheets in the kit, and there's decoupage, inserts, gift cards, and it's for an 8x8 inch square card. So I'd like to show you what you get in the kit, and then we'll go ahead and make the card. So our first sheet is the actual front of the card with the space boy on, and we've got lots of sentiments as well, and we've got a blank sentiment so you can rubber stamp it, add a die cut, add your own personal touch to it if you want. Our next sheet is the decoupage to build up the layers of the little space boy and the stars and some of the other components. We've then got a sentiment, an insert sheet with a sentiment on, and it says, "Who's having a birthday? Of course it's you. Have lots of fun the whole day through. Have a super day." And then we've got the extra small gift tag so you can coordinate everything. And then we've also got a blank sentiment insert panel so that you can add your own creative spin as well. If you've got rubber stamps, die cuts, things like that, you can add your own message. And then we've got another extra gift tag as well. So I just want to show you, because I always forget the gift tags that you get. So I've cut one out, I've scored it in the middle, and that is going to coordinate the gifts that you give, or just for a little something, maybe a notelet that you want to add, and it's just a really nice idea. Now I've taken one of the actual gift tags and I've cut the back of it away, so I'm going to use it on the back of our 8x8 inch square card, and I'm just going to add it at the bottom of the card. And I think this idea just always ties the card together. It makes it look finished, and you can add your name on the back so the recipient knows who sent it as well. So that's the back of our card. Now for the insert of our card, I've chosen to use the blank insert panel. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back of it, and I can just peel the carrier sheet away from the back of the flat glue tape, and then we can position this inside our card. So we just pop it in and then press it down. There we go. Press it down, and that's our insert complete. We've got a nice amount of room for a nice long message, or as I say, if you've got a rubber stamp or die that you want to use, you can add your own touch. So for the front of the card, the first layer is the main layer of the image. So again, I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, and I'm just going to peel away the back of the adhesive tape, and then I'm going to just position the image on the front of the card like so and press it down, and then we can build up the decoupage as we go. So we start with the largest image for the card, and I've got this on 3D foam. Now I've left a gap because we've got a little component to slip underneath it. We could actually add the component first, that'll make it easier for us. So we've got 3D foam on the back of that. We're just going to pop the little component there. There we go, and then we can add the main image of the space boy. It's got the 3D foam on the back, and we just position the decoupage layer over the previous layer, matching up the image like that. Then our next layer is slightly smaller than the previous layer. We've got 3D foam on the back, and again, we just marry up the design. There we go. I've also got some of the stars in the night sky. I've cut out, I've got 3D foam on the back. We can just position those over the stars on the card. And then I've got a sentiment that I've cut out, and it says, just for you. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm thinking I'm going to pop it just about there. There we go. And press that down. And that is our card finished. We've got our matching gift card and our card with the beautiful matching insert. And from the image on the back, it just ties it all together nicely. Can you imagine wrapping a gift and using the gift tag as well? Everything coordinating. I'd like to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 11049_1398. And you can search for any of Ceredwyn Macrae's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and searching for her name. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.